Shh. Silence. You ever walk down the street, see somebody wearing sunglasses and think, are you recording me? Or just trying to look cool? Well, welcome to the world of smart glasses. The gadget that's one step away from making us all cyborgs. Or just really expensive meme lords. Alright, let's break it down. Reality versus hype. First up, where smart glasses are actually kinda awesome. In the enterprise world, smart glasses are crushing it. Microsoft HoloLens Magic Leap. These are not your average sunglasses. Think Iron Man vibes for real. Engineers, doctors, even warehouse workers using AR to see instructions floating in the air. Now, if you're into fitness, some smart glasses are basically your personal hype squad. Ray-Ban Meta, Bose frames, they pump tunes, track your runs, and let you take selfies hands-free. And, huge shout out, smart glasses have become superheroes for visually impaired folks. In Vision eSight, these things recognize objects and even read text aloud. Now for us regular mortals, Meta X Ray-Ban's collab is getting close. You get social media integration, some cool styles, and honestly, they look less like you're cosplaying RoboCop. But, let's talk about the hype. Battery life? LOL. Some of these need charging more than your phone and your AirPods combined. The design? Either you look like a sci-fi villain or you get, basically, Bluetooth sunglasses. Privacy? Yeah, people still get creeped out thinking you might be filming them. Remember Google Glass? They flopped so hard, they're basically a meme now. And honestly, where's the killer app? Like, what's that one must-have feature? Is it hands-free TikToks? Taking blurry pics of your cat? And let's talk cost. Want full AR? That's like $3,500. For that price, my glasses better clean my room and pay my rent. So, what's next? The rumors say Apple is about to drop AR glasses that look like regular specs, but do everything short of teleporting you to Mars. 5G and AI? That'll make smart glasses faster and smarter. Maybe even help you win arguments with your mom. But here's the tea. Right now, smart glasses are amazing for work, fitness, or accessibility. Just not ready for everyone. Solve battery, design, and privacy, though, and we might all be wearing these in 5 years. Alright, thanks for JK, wait! Would you wear smart glasses today, or are you holding out for the Apple drop? Drop your answer in the comments. I read them all. Like if you want Tony Stark glasses, subscribe if you want more tech roasted with memes, and don't forget, if you see me in smart glasses, I'm probably just lost. Wait, did you catch the hidden meme earlier? Go back and see if you can spot it. Peace!